Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the image component of VideoApps Studio and also how to brand your video playlist with your own logo. As always, I'm going to start by launching the VideoApps Studio application. I'm planning to use the project I created in the last tutorial. So I'll click on Open Project, I'll select my old project and click Load Project. Now I'm going to delete the button I dragged on the stage in the last tutorial. In order to do that, you have to select the button or its layer and click on the delete icon. Now, as you can see, the default branding of the project says powered by StreamingVideoProvider, and we would like to change this. The first thing you need to do is to drag an image on the stage. The image component is actually a container for external images. Every time you drag a component on the stage, a new layer is created. In this case, this layer is called image 5. Now we're going to load an image from our computer to the image component. With the component selected, go to Properties and click on the small hand. To upload your own image, click on the Upload button. Click on Add Files and browse in your computer to find the file you're looking for. For this tutorial I've made up a quick logo on Photoshop. It is a PNG file with transparent background. After you open your file, click Upload and you'll find it in the library. On the right side there is a preview of your file. This is how it looks like. To use the file, highlight it in the list and click on the Select button. My logo says myownbranding.com, but the image is stretched because it's currently using the default width and height of the image component. To fix that, we need to make the image component exactly the same size as the size of the image. On the bottom right corner, you'll see positioning and dimensions and also opacity for each component selected. My image has a width of 203 and a height of 13. Now we can get rid of the default branding just by simply deleting it and put our new branding on its place. What's left is to make our logo clickable. To add a link to our logo, simply select the image component and add the link to the click link text area. For the link to work properly, always put the complete URL of your website, starting with http://www.google.com, for example. Now let's preview our project and test our newly created logo. This is how the project looks like in the preview. And when we click on the logo, it takes us straight to google.com. Before we save the project and leave it, we can change the name of the image layer where our logo is to something that makes more sense to us. To do that, go to the left bottom corner where it says selected component and double click on the title. It's always good to give your layers titles that make sense. It's very easy to find them when they become too many. I'll call my layer new logo. The image component is also very useful for creating backgrounds, such as the one that we have here. It is a transparent PNG file with rounded corners. The image component can also be used as an alternative for embedding fonts. Find Video and Choose Playlists, for examples, are both created with images rather than text. There are two main benefits for using images as static text. The first one is that currently there is no way for embedding uncommon fonts to the VideoApps Studio. The second benefit of using image for static font is that it prevents Flash from blurring the font. That's all for now. More tutorials will be coming soon. Stay tuned and check out our video tutorials section in the StreamingVideoProvider knowledge base.